You are shipping way faster than ever before. If you just take a look at GitHub contribution graphs or NPM publishes, you're going to just see a whole lot of this motion up and to the right. And this is an exciting time to be a software developer. The AI coding agents continue to get better. They're certainly way better than they were a year ago, and I expect that those will continue to improve. And this leaves a couple of questions. One question is, are we actually shipping valuable things? And how do we know? How do we know that this is actually solving a real person's problem? And then secondly, what skills do I actually have that distinguish me from the AI coding agent that I am using? Could there be a day where the product manager just creates the ticket and sends it into the system, and then the system turns it into an implementation? Like, what do I do at that point in time if that ever were possible? Now, I can't tell you what things are going to look like a year from now, but I can tell you that there are some uniquely human things that you can develop in yourself as a technical, engineering-minded person that will distinguish you from the AI coding agents that are doing the implementation, or so much of the implementation, for us today. And these durable skills are what I want to teach you. My name is Kent C. Dodds, and I am running a product engineering workshop. Product engineering is a term that I've just kind of put together for encapsulating all of the most valuable and durable human skills about systems thinking and problem clarity and judgment. All of these different things are what I think a product engineer does that is really valuable and human and sets them apart from their peers and their competitors. So if you're interested in stopping the whole chase the model around every couple weeks, there's a new model, there are new tools that are invalidating all the skills that I had before, and now I got to learn all this stuff. If that is as exhausting to you as it is to me, then I invite you to join me in learning the most durable human skills that you can learn that are still super technical and will take advantage of the technical expertise that you've developed over the years and build on top of that to make you the most valuable player of your team that you can possibly be. So I invite you to join me in this workshop on epicproduct.engineer so that we can learn durable skills together. We'll see you there.